Hello. So in this video, we're going to show you different capabilities that are available to users today on BLACKBOX. And to give you a bit of context, uh, as a user, you can directly use BLACKBOX either locally in your IDE or through the CLI or completely remotely. So depending on where you'd like to have the coding agent completely run through your tasks, you have the choice where you'd want to run them. And we're showing you here, this is the remote capability that is available on BLACKBOX today. So you have access to not only the BLACKBOX agent, where you can run as many tasks as you want on it, but you can launch multiple agents on the same task at once, and you can run them in parallel. And then what this is going to do is going to have a judge once this is done, and you'll be able to have a look at the judge, make the analysis, and give you the best recommendation. So we're going to take a look at some of these cases, but what we want to show you more is how you as a user also can extremely easily contribute to open source repos and open source projects. So here, let's take the example of Fast AI. So this is a popular 7,000 forks, 27,000 stars. So a very popular repo. And we see here there's 200 issues. So you have the ability to make your direct contributions on those repos. So we're going to take a look. One of the things that we can see right here, we have a running task right now, and this is actually on the Nano GPT repo. So this is the official repo, and we have the issues that are also directly part of it. So we're going to take a look at this repo right here. Okay, so as you see, we just were able to get all these issues. You have the ability to either send a single one, a few, or if you want to select all and then press this button, you are directly initiating 236 agents that are going to be resolving these issues and submitting it on the public open source repo. So in a single click, you're launching these 236 coding agents completely remotely. You can turn off your device, come back. On a typical task, depending on the difficulty, it's usually a few minutes of execution. And we're taking a look at one of them right here. You can see the entire trace of the agent, what it did. You can take a look at the diff in real time, what is happening during the execution. And once all is done, now we have here one of those that are available. And we can see, based on this issue, let's take a look at the issue that was listed right here. So the data loader segmentation fault. This line on the data loader creates a segmentation fault while using the data loader on Mac MPS platform. Scratch, Tensor, okay? Changing pin memory to false works as a temporary fix. I'm going to investigate this. So this is a fresh issue from last week. So haven't been resolved yet. So now we're launching the BLACKBOX coding agent on it, and it's having a look at it. So here it made those changes, and we can see it right here. So right now we have this one. So this one was just submitted. And so you have the choice when you're launching those tasks. You can either just have them for yourself in your forked repo, or you can also, just like what we did before, we check that you want to submit automatically a PR on the original repo. So here we just are viewing this PR right now. And as we can see, we're looking at the code changes, and we're going to see the file changes right here. This is a suggestion. We have a test device fix, so we can also run a test script on it. So here's a brief example of this. And actually, if you were to look up the live pull request, just 2 minutes ago, BLACKBOX AI coding agent just made this PR open right now. So it's up to review. It can be closed. It can be merged. So this is the current PR that was generated, and we have the agent, we have the model here, and you have also the choice to select uh, any agent from here. You have a single agent, you can launch any single agent that goes through these tasks. You can select multiple agents and then have the judge be able to pick for you which one would be the best. Uh, and we're adding more capabilities to it uh, that you're going to be seeing in the next coming days. But here, one of the unique capabilities that here we're showing, this is the Fast AI repo. We can launch 232 agents with a single click to get their resolution. So here you see this was a 10-minute task. This was another one. This was about 20-minute. Depending on the difficulty, we have an SGLang PR right here as well. So we can open it. We can take a look at what was implemented. But this is a brief overview on how you can fully implement a complete task with a single click, launch it on all of these issues. And basically at this point, you have your engineering team is able to look into those PRs and then evaluate which ones they want to keep, which one they want to continue working on top of, and so on. So this is a brief overview on the ability to quickly do a batch launch on all of these agents at once. We're going to be showing you a bit more here how you can be monitoring this agent, the entire set of agents. If they were launched, you will be seeing them processing in real time. We're going to just take another example here, and we're going to show you how we can also resolve them without necessarily submitting. So let's take a look at these two issues. So we just picked these two right now. We're not going to directly now submit. So we're going to just have a look at the resolution that will take place. And now these two have been successfully created. Now they're open right here. And we're going to take a look at the history. These are processing right now. So you'll have visibility on your entire agent execution. Okay, so this is actually an interesting one. Let's take a look at it. This is a 12-year-old and was reading this file. Okay, this is an interesting, let's see it right here. It's the second one, I think. Is it this? No, these are the PRs. Let's take a look at the issue. I think it was this one. Yeah, it's a 12-year-old person here who is reading this file and noticed something. Since this, okay, so this is just a developer that is looking to have this issue resolved. We're gonna be able to see it right now, and based on this execution, we'll be able to decide whether we want to fully raise the PR, have it available publicly, so that from those open source repos they can be picked. So these are contributions that you'll be making on open source repos. The same flow is applicable on your private repos. So whether it's a public one or a private one, you have the control on launching agents that will resolve these issues for your private repos as well. So it's not just something that is available for these open source repos. You can do it directly on your own. So, and one of the things that are available in the BLACKBOX remote agent platform is that with a single subscription, you don't have to worry about your credits on each of the different coding agents as well. So you have a single credit source that will be provided for your BLACKBOX, Cloud Code, Codex, and the agents that will be running on top of it. So we're going to be able to share also in later videos a bit more on the different capabilities that you can leverage it, not just through the web, through the phone, through Slack, through the MCP. And there's much more capabilities that you can have access to, so that you can be fully integrated with the remote agents that you're running. So this is a brief overview. We'll be showing some more capabilities on what you can leverage the remote agent for. And thank you so much.